and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and as you can see by the title, is an unboxing video with Makeup Revolution. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I have my package right here, and this is how it looks inside when you open it. It's like this. This is how it looks. And the lip gloss that I'm wearing today, that's for another video. I mean, if you follow me already, you probably already know from what company it is. As soon as you open the box, you have like, it's wrapped in these things. So I'm sorry if you could hear like noise outside. Just that my windows open and I don't really want to close it. So the first thing I see when I open this is this pro lip liner, and I'll try to list everything in the description box down below. So I ordered this lip liner in the color Al Vamp Noir. I'm not going to like open the products, but I'm just showing you what I got, and I'll test the products out in another video. Every time I order things, I always go in the sale section to see what's on sale. So a lot of things I got was stuff that was on sale. So yeah, I ordered a bunch of lipsticks. This lipstick in what is it called? Venture, I think it's called. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's like that color. I have this one in Perception. It's this kind of pink color. And then I have this. What is this? This is a cushion corrector in orange. This is the orange corrector, foundation corrector. Then I have this other lipstick. It's a matte lip pigment in the color Attitude. It's like this pink. I can't wait to try these products. And this eyeshadow is an HD Pro refill. One thing I could say though is, if you're looking to buy like new eyeshadows, go in the single shadows and look for the ones on sale, because this is the cheaper. Like I think it's a few cents, and you could get some dope eyeshadows and just stock up on them if you're trying to save. So yeah, and I bought this. What is this? I didn't buy this. I don't remember buying this. And this looks too light for me. Or maybe I did buy it. I can't remember. But it's the Conceal and Hydrate Radiance with Hydraulic. Radiance Foundation with Hydraulic Acid. It's medium to full coverage, and it's in the color F9. I think I bought this concealer. I don't remember. So yeah, it's exciting. I love this. I actually opened the box already just to see like if all my stuff was there. So I ordered this My Sign by Revolution complete wheel palette, and it's in the color, I think, or the style Pisces. So yeah, this is just how it is, and this is how it looks. I also ordered these skincare products. If you see me looking this way, it's because I have like the monitor right there. So always extra collection. It's actually like testing products, so like this small. Let me see, I'll open this one just to see like what they look like. Testers, well, not testers, but like just samples. But yes, I have this also in the sale section. So everything here is on a budget. In all, I spent like 50 euros, and if you spend over 45, 45, whether it be pounds, dollars, or euros, you get free shipping. So yeah, this is the HD eye foils. It contains 5 eyeshadows. Ooh. I got this rose gold highlighter. It's the rose gold ingot highlighter. Actually, it was on sale. This was like, you buy one and you get the other one free. So buy one get one free. And I ordered another gold ingot highlighter as well, because my ingot highlighter broke. So I also ordered this ready to fill empty MC palette. It's like just a simple MC gold palette. Also got it in rose gold as well. Though you can't really see, but yeah, I also got it in rose gold as well. And for my favorite part, you already know I'm not a beauty guru, but I also ordered some palettes that I've been having my eyes on for like a long time now. And this one is the Reloading Neutrals 2 palette, and I cannot wait to just use this. So basically the deal was you order 3 palettes and you get the 4th one free. So I actually got 5 palettes. So I got this one, I got the Velvet Rose palette, I got the Visionary palette, and I got the Neutrals 3 palettes, and I also got the Affection palette. Yeah, I purchased these 3 of these. I got this one free, and I also purchased one separately. So in all I have 5 palettes. Wait to like just try any one of them, like especially this one. I think this one I would really like to try, the Affection palette, because look at this gold right here. This gold right here, it's so beautiful. The whole everything is just in this palette. I never had like colors like this, so I can't wait to try this. And this Velvet Rose palette, oh my gosh, like everything about it is just so brown. But yeah, that's all I got for this unboxing. I have another unboxing that I will do, but in a separate video. So yeah, and I can't wait for you guys. And everything is affordable. Like these are drugstore, cruelty free and vegan makeup. So yeah, you can't go wrong. You really can. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money, just go to the sales section, because they always have some dope items on sale. And that's, I don't want to say always where I go, but like 99.9% of the time that's where I go to like get my makeup. In general, I always like look to see what other new stuff they have that is cheap, because I am a cheap person. I don't like to splurge on stuff. At this point, whether you like or comment, I'm still gonna be making videos. I'm not gonna force you guys to like or comment or subscribe. It's what I want. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you love these type of unboxing videos, especially from this brand, do not forget to let me know or suggest any other drugstore brands that you would like for me to unbox or test out. Yeah, yep, that's it. And that's my painting that I did. Actually, I did this. It was my first time actually painting on a canvas, or like just painting in general, because I'm a poet after painting. It's not something that I usually do, and I did it a while back. And I also have this painting that I want to show you guys. It's not from me, but it's from my friend, and she gave it to me, and I'm like so happy about that. So this is the painting right here. It's this lovely painting, and she's like one of the dopest artists that I know. And I'm not just saying that because she's my friend, but like all her stuff that she creates is just like out there. So yes, her Instagram is God Bless Cat. I'll leave it on the screen or in the description box, so you can go check her out and support my friend. And I also have another artist. Her name is her Instagram name is BH Dika, so I'll also leave it on the screen, and you could like just check it in the description box, and I'll link it there. Just check them out and support my friends, guys. Like I love them so much. They always support me. They always give me positive words. So yeah, I also want to shout out my other friend, Kitama. She is a YouTuber as well, so go check her channel out. I think is Kitama's Life. I'm not sure. I'm not good at YouTube names, but I'll leave it in the description box down below or on the screen. That's the 3 people that I want to shout out that have been just you know, motivating and supportive of me, whether it be as of late or a long time. You know, they always have my back and always support me regardless. And they give me tips for my intro, like the love that I got from my intro. Oh my gosh, it was just surreal. Ah, this is son doing this to me. I really caught a break this week. I cannot wait to just be over with the shits. Like, I don't usually curse on my channel, and I'm sorry, but like, I'm just over it. Like, words of Summer Walker, I'm over it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.